Guys, our fufu is ready. Yeah, it has already been cooked. I need to pound it. My husband mother has already called me that we have to go to the supermarket. I just told her that I'm coming, I have to eat, you know. So I am in hurry. When I come back, I dry the plate. I've already washed them. Though. So that is it. Let me just quickly throw this food in my belly because Abby done hungry or serious hungry. Wait oh. Where are all the goat meat in this soup? That is okay. Let it work very good. Then this one I can put here. When I come back, I systemize you. Then this one will go to the fridge later. My mortar. My fufu. I'm just cashing cruise, really. I still get straight to for me to hand over this one now they pound down like this. I still get straight. I am pounding fufu in Italy. Oh God, yeah. See the joy that this fufu, pounding of fufu is giving me. See the joy. See the joy it gave me. Oh God, yeah. Just manage everything. That is how we roll it in Africa. We pant. Okay. It's fine. Okay. Let me take a plate and put it inside.